Guys, welcome back to another episode of SoCal Watch Reviews. Today I got something super special for you. I got one of my affordable grails. A long time ago when I first started watch collecting, that was my affordable grail, the Seiko SPB143. But now I've been wanting something for a long time, but Seiko just released this back in June 2020. So this is a fairly new watch. It's been getting a lot of hype, and the moment that I saw it, I'm like, I need to get it. I need to get rid of a few pieces in the collection because this needs to be in here. So got it brand new, box, papers, tags, the whole deal. I could have gotten it pre-owned, but honestly they're trading for almost the same as brand new. It just honestly was not worth the price, right? But anyways, let me do the unboxing, first impressions, see what we got to say about this watch. And before we move forward, obviously I think you already saw the thumbnail, is the SPB143. Seiko released 4 of these different colorways. You can see them right here. I'll put them up so you could see, and we'll go through each one of them. As you can see right there, they're all from the SPB line, prospects. It's a little bit higher level, right? So just go through the reference numbers right here. As you can see, they all have different colors. Some of them have a gilt dial, some of them come on a bracelet, some of them come on a rubber, but the one that I went for is the SPB143. Why? Because the gray dial just captivated me, and to be honest with you, I'm still a Hodinkee fan, and I saw their video. When I saw James Stacy feature this watch, I absolutely fell in love. So let's check it out, see what this is all about. Okay, so good presentation right here. As you can see, SPB143 prospects, so very nice. I mean, your typical Seiko cardboard box. Actually, it's not your typical one. This one does feel a little bit more substantial, and it should for the price. But let's see what we got right here. So there's nothing on this box. So, oh, never mind. I guess you do have a manual right here. So instructional manual, instructions in Japanese, I guess English. Very cool. Hopefully I won't need those. What else do we have right here? We have the Seiko warranty card, right? It's warranty information. Yep, here it is. There we go. And I don't have a problem showing you that because it's not filled out. I actually got this watch online. If you're interested, send me a DM or message and I could guide you in the right direction. But here we go. So what do we have here in the box? Let's check it out. We have this guy. Yay. Sorry, I have no words to describe this watch. I've just been wanting it for so long. Very nice box right there with the Seiko logo. You could see the little material, right? Some suede. Very cool. Nothing else. Alright, cool. Let's put this to the side. So here we go. Comes in a little baggie. There you go. Check that dial out. The bezel actually aligns pretty well. It's made out of stainless steel, actually. Some people said sapphire, but it's not true. This is stainless steel, this is sapphire. Super cool sunburst style right there, and it's gray. It's beautiful. Let's get it off this pillow. So what do we have right here? Seiko. It has a diverse extension. Super cool. Again, I'll do a full review. I was just super excited. Wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. I've had some success with the channel, with the podcast, and I just said, you know what? I am going to get my affordable grail. I'm sorry, I got sweaty hands. I'm so excited. And guys, you don't even know how excited I am. I've been wanting this for such a long time. So as some of you know or don't know, this is the 62 MAS reissue. They reissued a few of these back in 2017 as the SLA an SBDC series. The SBDC series was actually larger, and I was going to pick one up, but it was too large. This, for point of reference, is 42 millimeters and a hair over 47 tip to tip. You have drilled lugs right there on the case, and of course 120 click. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I can't even talk today, guys. What's going on? So super soft screw down crown. Let me take it off the little pillow right here. So very cool. Little there you go, tsunami wave in the back. This should be really simple to change, and by the way, I will be changing these to the Artham straps just because I really don't want to mess this up just yet. I'm very picky with my watches, and also since I just got this, I want to definitely test the power reserve on it, and it has the 6R15 movement, and it should have 70 hours of power reserve. Screw down crown. Again, this is just a little disappointing in my opinion that it doesn't have a signed crown, but it's not a deal breaker for me, to be honest with you. So first position, you wind it, and then second position, date change. Yep. And third position, you play around with the hands, and then put it back in, and it screws. Dang, that is super smooth. That is very smooth. 20 millimeter lug, so 20 millimeter lug width. So here we go. This is the watch. Hope you guys like it. We will do a full proper review of this guy. You probably will see a lot of this watch on my Instagram and on my feed, and honestly this is just a grail of mine, and I will go through, when I do the unboxing, we will go through the diverse extension and everything, of course, proper milled clasp, and the diverse extension is somewhere over here. It's right here, I believe. Sorry guys, yeah, it's right here. So there's a bunch of stickers, but you basically just take this guy out, and it should come out. I'm sorry, I don't know how to play with this, but I promise I'll play with it a little bit more. But anyway, there it is. Prospects SBDC. There we go. So basically what you want to do is you're going to want to have a really solid tool. I've used cheap ones before and I've messed up my watches, so I do not recommend them. This specific one came from my friends over at Artham. So yeah, they hooked me up with this, and of course with some straps, and I actually got my SKX on a strap. And just for comparison, let's see, 42 millimeters on the SKX, so you could see, there you go, so you could see what they look like. This one looks a lot cleaner. Just the proportions fit so much better. So I'll throw the proportions of this guy right here just so you could check them out. And again, that is the reason why I bought it, just because I wanted something that was gonna feed my need for a Rolex Submariner, which I wanted for such a long time, and I don't think I will ever get one. Not because I can't save up for it, because I'm sure I can, but I don't know if I'm willing to spend the money, to be honest with you, on something like that. It's just a little too much, right? But anyway, with drill, when your case has drill lugs in the case, you basically just put the sharp end of your tool right in there, and you should be able to take it off relatively quickly. And that is the beauty of this, right? That you're not gonna mess up your, there you go, typical Seiko. Look at that, typical Seiko. They give you a really nice thick spring bar. Super cool. So let's do the other side. This is super simple, guys. Anybody can really do it. Just be really careful when you put it in, and you wanna kind of pull away, and just kind of pull away right there. That is so easy. I remember when I first got my SKX and I was trying to remove the Jubilee from this guy. I scratched it, and I had just gotten it. It was brand new, and I scratched it. I don't know if you guys could see it right there, but I scratched it when I first did it because it doesn't have drilled lugs on the case, and it sucked. It pissed me off so bad. Brand new. I hadn't even taken off the little sticker, and I scratched it. But I was a newbie. This was like 6 years ago when I got this, 5-6 years ago. So anyway, so there you go. There is the strap, the OEM strap, and here it is. Here's how it looks without the I'm sorry, let me clean this off for you guys. I see a lot of my fellow YouTube guys doing this live, and they have their gloves. Shout out to Dave. Yoga hands. I don't have any yoga hands, but anyway, check this out. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then remember, a buckle always goes on top. By the way, Artem hooked me up with the deploying clasp, so very easy. You put it on right here, and you go like this, and that's it. And you do the same for the bottom. And I am so sorry if I am boring you guys. Again, I don't do things like this live. There we go. Ooh, that is a beauty. So anyways, guys, please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my new watch. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Review coming soon to this guy. And as always, my friends, stay humble.